What's up guys, welcome back to the channel again. I have another video for y'all. It's going to be putting on this floor mat here, the one that goes in the back of the trunk area. Now y'all have seen the one of me before putting the front passenger and driver side Lloyd WeatherTech floor mats, those ones there. But I finally went ahead and bought the trunk one as it will match the whole car. So link will be in the description below if you are interested in buying that, so you can have the full set for your car. Very good product. I highly recommend it. But let's go ahead, let me show you all it, and then we'll just stick it in the car and see how it looks. All right, so here's the box that it comes in. Of course, it'll say, you know, your Lloyd mats there. Pretty good sized box. There we go. Inside is gonna be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out so that way we can see how it looks. Well, here is the mat out on the ground. As you can see, it's pretty good construction here. Big Corvette logo in the middle. Very, very weighted. Very, very good. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the car. I highly recommend the product, like I said. Very good. One other note to mention, I believe they do have other colors. If you don't want the weather, I think they have the carpeted ones that come in different colors. So if you are interested in buying one of those, just use the link and follow the website, and I'm pretty sure you'll see where I'm talking about there. So let's go ahead and put it in the car. Get this open. The latch. Let's take out our sun visor for a second and make sure everything's clear so you can just put it right into the back. All right, so the mat's in, as you can see, fits very well, looks very good. The only thing that you'll have to do though, that I've noticed, if you need to work on the battery, obviously you're gonna have to lift this portion up to get to the access under here. Same with on the driver's side. As we all know, there is a pocket right here to access storage. Of course, this is gonna be covering it now, so you'll have to lift it in order to access it, which is not a big deal. You know, just lift it up, grab whatever you need. But this is going to add some more padding and protection from water, so that way your back doesn't have any water seepage or anything. If it's raining, you have to just stick stuff in the back. You won't have to worry about the carpet in the back getting wet because this is going to absorb it. So overall, I think that is a pretty good product here. Alright guys, well, hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy the content. More installations will be coming and more videos. So y'all have a great one. Until the next video guys, we'll see y'all. The Corvette out. Peace.